If you clicked on this video looking for a spike detector that is gonna help you catch these huge spikes here, then I'm gonna disappoint you a little bit. But I promise you, if you watch this video until the end, then I'm gonna show you how to make money trading this boom and crash without a spike detector, without even worrying about what these spikes are going to do in your account. So when you look at boom and crash, what most people do when they come into this boom and crash market, they will just come and try to catch these spikes here. Or some of them will come and try to scalp out of these small candles here. But the problem with trying to scalp these small candles here is when these huge spikes comes, they doesn't respect your stop loss. So for example, if you have a $10 account and you are trying to trade this boom and crash, you are thinking that you are risking $2 on that trade. You might find out that the one spike like this can come up and wipe out all your account. So how do you make money trading this boom and crash? It's easy. The only thing that you need to do is change your time frame from 1 minute, which shows you these small spikes, to at least 15 minutes, right? If you come to a 15-minute time frame, you'll come to realize that boom and crash is a simple market that is just like any other market, that you can use any other strategy. But the only thing that you want to do here is come to a higher time frames and look at boom and crash as it is, right? It's just like any other market. If you look at this, you can just trade using trend lines here. You can just trade using support and resistance here. You can just say, okay, the market have break past support and a reversal, and you see a bullish engulfing candle here. And since this is a boom, one of the things that I want you to understand here is, since this is boom 1000, right? This is not crash. So in boom, you know that all the spikes are going to come to the upside. So what do? You go to a higher time frame, like the 15-minute time frame, and you're going to be looking at things like candlestick patterns. So what are you looking at here? I'm looking for any bullish engulfing candle that is gonna show me when the market is about to reverse. And since this is a boom, I know that most of the time, when you see a bullish engulfing candle, the market is gonna continue going up. Why? Because when these spikes come, they eat up profits of all the people that are staying in a 1 minute time frame. And when they eat up those profits, there's a chance that if you are in a higher time frame, the market is gonna continue eating up those profits, and you are going to make money. And if you look at this, right, before we even go anyway, if you look at this, you can see that after every bullish engulfing candle, the market continued going up. Why? Because this is a boom market, right? Whenever the market goes to the upside, it will continue going up almost every time, right? Here we have when the market didn't continue going up, right? This will happen in the market. But if you look at most of the time, like 70% or more of the time, when the market creates a bullish engulfing candle, the market is gonna continue going up. Why? Because this is a boom market. The boom market is always trying to spike up to eat up the profits of those who are staying in scalping positions on a smaller time frame, like the 5-minute time frame. So you need to be very careful when trading this boom and crash. The only way that you make money here is not looking for a spike detector. The only way that you make money here is looking for bullish engulfing candle, any candlestick patterns that shows you that the market is about to go up, since you are in a boom market. So this is how you trade boom and crash without a spike detector. The secret here is just going to a higher time frame, right? And when you go to a higher time frame, you're going to see that boom and crash is just like any other market, any method that you use to trade any other market, right? If you come here and you create your levels of support and resistance here, you're going to just see that the boom and crash is just like any other market that you have been trading on the market. You don't have to take it in a 1 minute time frame like most people do, because when you trade this market in this time frame, the problem is you are going to be drained emotionally because of these small candles and these spikes. And these spikes here, they don't respect your stop loss. So this is exactly how you trade boom and crash. Stop looking for spike detectors. Just go ahead, go to higher time frames and start trading boom and crash just like any other market. So thank you for watching this video. And right now what you need to do is you click on the screen right now. The video that is appearing here is going to help you trade the volatility 75 index on the right way. So go ahead and click the video appearing on the screen. If you want to know the broker that I'm using to trade this boom and crash volatility index and all other synthetic indices, I will leave the link of the broker in the description below. I hope you are going to have a great day.